crusher. Next is the application of crushers. Another classification of crushers and some parameters of crushers. First is the milling crusher. Milling crushers are also called rook crushers, which refer to crushing machinery whose discharge has a particle size greater than 3 millimeters and counts for more than 50% of the total discharge volume. According to the size of feeding and discharging, crushers are often divided into gross crusher, medium crusher, and fine crusher. Next is application of the crusher. Meaning chemical, cement, and other industrial sectors. A large amount of raw materials are used. Which leads to the proceed by crushers every year. For example, in a beneficial plant, in order to separate the useful materials in the or into it, it is necessary to use the crusher to crush the raw to use a crusher to crush the raw requirements as a breeding process. It is necessary to crush the machinery to crush the raw materials in the particle size required by the next operation. Requirements such as plants, plants, ceramic plants, glass industry, powder and crushing machinery must be used to crush the raw materials to the particle size required by the next operation. In chemical and electrical power sectors, crushing and grinding machinery increasing the surface area of materials and creating favorable conditions for shortening the time of chemical reactions of materials. Is a repeat development of the industry and the repeated production of resources. The use of waste materials in the production of various components is very important. The reprocessing of these waste materials needs to be crushed by crushing machinery. Next is some applications of crusher. According to the way the crushing force acts, the crusher can be roughly divided into two categories: crusher and grinding machine. Today we mainly introduce the crusher. Generally handles large pieces of materials and the product size is closer according to the crushing method and the characteristics of the machine. Roughly divided into 6 categories: jerk crusher, impact crusher, vertical impact crushers, cone crusher, hammer crusher, and roller crusher.
谁在会议台里问我认识谁的？
First is the jaw crusher. Crushing chamber is composed of two jaw plates. A movable jaw and a static jaw, which simulates the movement of the hammer's jaw to complete the material crushing operation. The features of the jaw crusher have 7. One is the preferred equipment for primary crushing. It has the characteristics of large crushing radius, uniform product size, simple structure,
还挺胖的那个。
reliable work, simple maintenance, and economical operating cost. Next is low noise and less dust. The crushing radius is large and the product size is uniform. The structure is simple, the work is reliable. The replacement of parts is convenient, and the equipment maintenance is simple. The crushing cavity is deep and there is no dead zone, which improves the feeding and output. Equipment energy saving. Single machine energy saving is 15 and 30%. System energy saving is more than double. The adjustment range of the discharge opening is large, which can meet the requirements of different users. The next one is the cone crusher. Cone crusher are crushing machine suitable for raw materials in construction, road construction, chemistry, and skate industries. According to different crushing principles and different product particle size, it is divided into many models. They are widely used in milling, smelting, building materials, highways, railways, water conservancy, and chemical industries, and many other sectors. The cone crusher has a large crushing radius, high efficiency, low energy consumption, uniform product size, suitable for medium and fine crushing of various crease and roots. The features of mixer have 8. First, higher production capacity, better quality. 2. Due to the safety device, the downtime is greatly reduced. 3. The machine body is a cast steel structure with reinforcement ribs. See that the heavy dot part is an adjuster. It can quickly adjust the size of crushed then discharged material. 5. Provide spring protection device. 6. Is a complete system. It will shut down when the temperature is too high or flow rate is too low. 7. The internal structure has good sealing performance, which can effectively protect the equipment from dust and other small particles. 8. Non-service life and strong application. This is the impactor crusher. Impactor crusher is mainly used for chemical industry, building materials, hydropower, and other operations. especially for modern storm operations such as highways, railways, and high power projects. It can be based on the type, scale, and the size of the raw materials to be processed. The different requirements of material adopt a variety of configuration forms. The features of this kind of crusher is more effective in processing materials with a large amount of moisture and effectively prevents materials from clogging. The impact crusher is capable to a wide range of material handlers. It is convenient and flexible to adjust the charging particle size, and the adjustment range is wide. The wearing parts are small and the weight is high. The replacement of spare time is simple, and the maintenance cost is reduced. Next one is hammer crusher. Hammer crusher is kind of equipment for crushing materials in the form of a pack. It is divided into two types: single rotor and double rotor. There is a one-stage crusher that directly crushes materials with a particle size of 600 and 1,800 to 25 or below 25. The hammer crusher is suitable for crushing medium hard materials such as limestone, slag, coal, and other materials in cement, chemical, electrical power, and other industrial sectors. The features of the hammer crushers have four. First, the larger crushing radius and production capacity. Two, the product is uniform and there is a little over power dominant. Three, no energy consumption, light product, similar structure. Four, the equipment is light, weight, and easy to operate and maintain. Reliable structure, high production efficiency, good applicability. Next one is the row crusher. The row crusher uses one pair or two pairs of slightly rotating round rows to crush materials. The material falls between the two rows through the upper feeding port of the equipment. And there is brought into the gap between the two rows by friction, and is gradually crushed. And then the finished material leaks from the lower part. When encountering materials that are too hard to be broken, rows attract to increase the gap between the rows, and the over hard materials fall. With the action of the hydraulic cylinders or springs, the rows returns to original gap, thereby protecting the machine and adjusting the gap. Between the two rows, you can control the particle size of the product. Our commonly used low crushers have the following advantages: simple structure, convenient maintenance, and low cost. There is main support for gross and intermediate brushing of brighter materials in meat, chemical, coal, and other industries. It specializes in large and